stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey Wasatch, I'm Ben Benson, your Public Relations Officer.
And I'm Richard Heckman, one of your 7th grade reps.
Okay, as you might know, we have our musical auditions coming up. So if you have stage fright, if you've never auditioned before, or if you don't know how to prepare for an audition, we're going to be hosting an audition workshop. All your questions and more will be answered here, and we're having 2 nights. On Wednesday, October 10th, you can go to Churchill from 3 to 4 p.m., or on Thursday, October 11th, you can come to Wasatch from 3 to 4 p.m. You just need to pick one day, all your questions will be answered, and it will probably just make the whole thing a lot less stressful.
Hey Wasatch, Miss Dallimore here. So do you guys remember The Lion King? We did that last year. We have an audition workshop coming up for our musical this spring, and it's going to be next week. Next Wednesday, it will be at Churchill from 3 to 4, and you are fine to come there. You can also come here on Thursday from 3 to 4, so either day that works for you, just pick one. So those of you that have never auditioned before, that are nervous, that have stage fright, that don't know, hey, I don't know how to audition for a musical, we're going to be going over all of that, everything that you need to do to prepare for your audition. It will last about an hour, and then if you have any questions, you can ask us afterwards. Thank you so much, and see you there.
Okay, your PTSA forms are due today, so make sure you get those in.
Don't forget that we have a choir concert, and that is on Wednesday at 7 p.m.
Okay, the ladies in the library would like to thank you for coming and checking out books this year. We would like to announce the names of 5 lucky students who checked out a book, filled out the back of the bookmark, and entered it into the Harry Potter Read Books drawing. So the winners of this drawing are Ivan Wong, Vivian Stewart, Bennett Carlson, Zoe Ng, and Megan Garf. Please come to the library to choose your prize. There will be choosing names regularly for prizes, so get down to your own Wasatch Library, check out a book, and fill out the back of the bookmark and turn it in. It's that simple.
Okay, this week we're going to be focusing on having good behavior in the locker room, so here's over to a video about that.
Good morning, Wasatch. This week, teachers and staff are going to be looking out for your accountable, respectful, and excellent behavior in the locker rooms. Your PE and dance teachers see how you leave the locker rooms and how you behave in the locker rooms. Our custodians see how well you keep it clean after the day is over. Are you leaving your backpacks unlocked and unsupervised? Do you know your locker combination? In the locker room, remember to keep it clean. Make sure you know your locker combination. Be where you are supposed to be. Respect school property. Use appropriate language and volume. Be kind to others. Return found items. And if you see something, say something. Enjoy this video that reminds you of our locker room expectations.
Keep it clean.
Supposed to be.
As you work on the Warrior Way this week, really try to think about how you are acting in the locker room. You may even be rewarded for doing what you should in the locker room and other areas of the school.
Have a marvelous Monday, Wasatch.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek.